Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look into electrical wiring. So, we are going to learn how to wire, that's room wiring connections, how to wire lighting points. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to wire lighting points in a room. So, in a case study, I'm using a room, and that room has 2 wall brackets, 2 gang switch, and 1 center light. So, I used Proteus software to design that. So, I am going to show us how it was connected and how you can also design your own. So, let's move on to the Proteus software window. So this is the design. I have already designed it for easy explanation. Designed by EROS. Piping connection of a room lighting points with 2 wall brackets and 1 center light and 2 gang switch. So, as we can see, it has already been piped. This is a conduit piping. That's what we did here, conduit piping. This are the pipes. This what is called a coupler. We use it to couple 2 pipes. So, these 2 things are the conduit wall brackets fittings. And this is you can use it as a junction box or to connect your light. This is the switch box or 4x4 Proteus box. If you go down here, you'll see to dB, that means distribution board. From the distribution board, electric power is supplied to the room. So, that's where the supply is from. So, I'm just going to show you how you can design this. So, for you to design this, you first of all, because Proteus software don't have all these image format components you are seeing here. So, what you need to do is to download them. So, like these things I used here, let me show you some of them. If you come to this place, you see different images of these components I downloaded. So, you can see it. They are all in picture format. All these things are what I downloaded and used to design what you are seeing now. So, you can download them and use them to design and learn electrical wiring on your own. That's how I downloaded and used them to design this. So, let's go through the wiring aspect. I have talked about the conduit design. So, the wiring now you see, you can see here we have 3 wires. That's 3 red wires, or you can call them life wires or hot wires. Why we call it hot or life wire is because it is the wire that carries current. So, as you can see, there's no black or neutral wire here, meaning that it is not the neutral wire that we want to control. We want to control the hot wire. That's what enters the switch. So, as you can see, there are 2 wires coming from the DB, black and red. So, when you fish them through this conduit pipe, using fishing tape to this place, this red wire here, will pass through this pipe across this center point or junction box to the switch box, and that wire we call it the mains or mains wire with a sign on it to differentiate it as the mains that supplied power. All other wires that connects or loops to it are called the branches. So, then, the black wire from the DB is terminated here. Then, other black or neutral wires will loop from this one to their termination point. So, as you can see, one of the branches that came out here is controlling the center light. Then, the second branch passed across the center point through the conduit pipe to this wall bracket point here. So, these 2 wall brackets are looped together so that when you on the switch, it on 2 of them at the same time. So, one gang of the switch controls the center light point, while the other gang controls the 2 wall brackets lights at the same time. So, this is how it works, and it's very easy to design. This is just elementary wiring. So, you can easily do this. That's where we bring today's lesson to an end. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to my channel for more updates.